For any virus infection, especially for during this stage for COVID-19, how to prepare ourselves to face this type of infection. Now we are talking about immune systems, our defense systems. Yes, we have to enhance our own immune systems. Inside our body, we can produce the redox signaling molecules inside our cells that enhance our cells to cells communications. Cells to cells communications, they are very important besides just enhance our immune system. Especially when this type of COVID infection, their primary site will be the respiratory tract, respiratory systems. Hence, now we are talking about we have to increase the immune systems, we have to increase our respiratory systems, enhance their cells to be prepared, and we have to be prepared for the rest of the system inside our body. All the cells to cells, they need to be communicated each other. In other words, when a person will encounter this infection, the immune system cells will communicate to the rest of the system, the cells over there. Then they will join together to fight to combat this infection efficiently. This type of redox signaling molecules, the production of these type of molecules will be declined when we are aging. The cell communication, they will be breakdown. The cell communication breakdown once the elderly people they get infected with the COVID-19, so their susceptibility of getting severeness of the disease or even succumb to it will be very high. For this elderly group or for any group, we have to get a redox signaling molecule supplements which we can give to them to enhance their body to produce this type of signaling molecules for their cells and for the whole system communications, in order that they can fight over any type of a viral infection. From this COVID-19, we can see that so many middle-aged people get infected and succumb to it. Now, the researchers have found out that this is all due to the immune system's over-response. Once the immune system's over-response, they might causing the inflammation. So this type of inflammation will disturb other systems together and other cells and cause them very difficult to get the cell-to-cell communication. Once cell-to-cell communications break down, even though the immune system is high and other systems of the cells, they are very not in order. So to fight against this type of infection is quite difficult and causing them certain part of the system getting breakdown. So we found out that due to this over response of the immune systems, this is the major cause why the middle-aged people suddenly get infected and they get very severe respiratory syndrome. So for any persons to fight against any viral infection or especially this COVID-19 as a whole, their immune systems need to respond at the right, correct way, not over and not so little. Just talking about some micronutrients. Those micronutrients, they are very important for our immune cells or even our cells inside the cells, our nucleus. Especially, we have to take enough supplements of vitamin D. Vitamin D, because on the surface of the immune cells and inside the cells, the nucleus, they have the vitamin D receptors. Those vitamin D receptors, they will get once the cells will get enough vitamin D, they can start working properly to enhance their functions. So we should always remember children, adults, and the elderly people, we should be supplement with enough vitamin D. Besides this, like we should also supplement with magnesium, zinc, and selenium too. And the other point, we should be always ask people, try to reduce the stress level as lower as possible. Then be active. Always move around. Not necessarily that you have to go to exercise very strenuously. No, be active, just be active. Have a positive thinking, always be happy, and always smile and laugh, and this will enhance our own immune system and let the other cells or other systems to be healthy too, in order that they can communicate each other more efficiently.